One suitcase, one good shirt, and a pocket full of mail. I learned to read the weather by the bend in the corn. Then I traded that river road for a train and a dawn. Taller buildings, harder eyes, cold cash, cold skies. I held my breath, I held my ground. Then I heard that city sound. Boots in New York, heart still small town. I bet on my name and I never back down. From dirt roads to gold floors, I found my way. Boots in New York, I'm still that boy today. Ticker runs red, learn the game by the minute, with a pad and a thread. From soybean fields to big deals, I can read a room. Every rise, every fall feels like thunder in June. Taller buildings, harder eyes, cold cash, cold skies. I held my breath, I held my ground. Then I heard that city sound. Boots in New York, heart still small town. I bet on my name and I never back down. From dirt roads to gold floors, I found my way. Boots in New York, I'm still that boy today. Back home they still call me son, still say don't forget where the fields meet the sunset and the nights get wet. So I keep one foot in the past, one on the floor. Every win I bring back is for the folks I'm for. Boots in New York, heart still small town. I bet on my name and I never back down. From dirt roads to gold floors, I found my way. Boots in New York, I'm still let it test my nerve. Every ugly call still deserves its curve. If the clock gets mean and the price gets rough, I don't quit the chair, I just tighten up. Hold that line, don't throw too soon. Black ink rain in the trading room. Take the lick, keep the frame, same old game. Stay in the game. Funky stop, take the blow, don't drop. Funky stop, ride it out, hold your spot. Funky stop, when the market shakes. Funky stop, stay till the turn breaks. Maybe later it clears, maybe later it flows. Maybe the hard stop is the lesson that grows. I've been bruised before, still I came back mean. Nothing stays broke in this money machine. Funky stop, take the blow, don't drop. Funky stop, ride it out, hold your spot. Funky stop, when the market shakes. Funky stop, stay till the turn breaks. Take the blows, stay in the game. Take the blows, way on the flame. Funky stop.
Good evening, guys. Good evening. Yeah, the music is all AI, man. We just make it as we go. It's a new tune. I'm going to try to introduce. I really like it. As you can tell, I'm a huge fan of Funkadelic and Sly and the Family Stone, and all of my music is kind of influenced by that. So yeah, it's all AI music. We just have fun with it. Welcome to the show, guys. We are 3 for 3 so far on scalping gold. Holding this one trade here for a scalp may fade against us, and if it does, I'm going to reverse myself to it. But everything else on the start, especially the session level trades in gold, work like a charm. Gold hit Tokyo lows, bounced back, we went long. Gold hit Tokyo lows again, bounced back, we went long, and then over here, let me see. Sorry, did we go long? Yeah, did we go long? Yes, it's a double bottom, a pop in gold, and then in the other account, in the 61 account, we did. There was a move to the downside. This was very interesting. This was a very interesting move to the downside against a bullish tape. So it was a perfect fade, and I bought this for a perfect move to the downside. Right now in this account, I'm going to go short. Hang on a second. Let me change. Let me change to 61. I'm going to sell. I'm going to take the opposite side of this trade on this red arrow down and see how well that works out the other way. This scalp to the upside may be in trouble, but this scalp to the downside may work for us. So we're going to give it a shot on both sides of the scalp to keep working on the scalp side. And then NQ is not even a thought right now. I haven't looked at it because I've been focusing on gold primarily. We're trading for our friends at Ola. NQ, actually, look at this. NQ had a nice big bop into the Tokyo high. And we may take... okay, we got the coming back to gold. Gold got done both ways. So the short worked and the stop out worked. So now we're 3 for 4 in the scalps, 2 for 2 on the session trades, and we can start looking at Nasdaq, see if there's any trades here. But It was a nice reversal here, but obviously we were busy. We're going to primarily trade gold because that's the much bigger mover in Asia. It's already expanded its range nicely, 84 to 73, $10 range. We're in the middle of the range right now underneath the VWAP. See what we can do in the next hour. But you like that? You like that tune? Yeah, I really love that tune. I'm going to play it in London tomorrow for sure. For sure. I totally forgot we had that tune in the catalog, so we're going to put that into the rotation. It's called Funky Stop. I'm glad you guys like it. Otherwise, everything was great. We had a great day today. We nailed all of our trades in New York. It was really fun to have Sam trade with us. It was really interesting, actually. There's like a lot of interesting takeaways from his appearance today that I'm going to share with you guys over the day. There's no music channel we can tune into. Yeah, I know. I know. I frequently, H2 producer, I always wish that I just trade and play music in the background and not talk. But I know that everybody wants to hear the market commentary. So trust me, if it was up to me, I wouldn't say a word. I would just, trade for 4 hours without saying a word, just play background tunes with you guys. But I think people expect you to narrate. So we have to turn it around. Yeah, we don't trade individual stocks, so I have no idea. Poor and hungry, but on the indices, it's been a pretty negative flow, and I think we have a reasonable chance here to trade to the 29,000. Although today was a nice bounce, we kind of held the 2,500, which is impressive. So we will see what it wants to do for the rest of the night. NAS is not doing anything. Nobody's doing anything right now. Prior to trading high right over here. I see if we can take that out. Here's a classic volatility up, volatility down, which resolved to the downside. We love that trade. We traded that trade even when Sam was in the room today, and it worked out very nicely. That's just kind of an off-the-menu trade that I love to do because it almost always has some continuity. There's always some stub of profit left on the other side, and it's definitely worth taking it. What else is going on here? Not much. We'll see how the hour goes. Both NAS and gold are super quiet. See if gold kind of tries to test the lows. We did break the actually, we didn't. We took out the 4,500. I take it back. We took out the 4,500 and 4,550. So gold is actually pretty. Gold today. I didn't look at gold at all today in New York trade, but look at this moves. We had some nice strong moves in gold. Wow. Gold is actually a super strong rally here today. Had some really good. Look at these moves. It kind of bottomed at 2 and then had a super strong move. Like gold in the afternoon is really worth trading, I'm actually curious. Let's play the game here with gold. Let's go to replay. All right, so here's London high. Here's the New York low at 4,500. Let's see what it's doing. So we're drifting towards London high, and we see the bounce. First bounce here, second bounce here. So we take this long 38. Does it work? Yeah, it really starts to pick up. And then then it starts to really rally. Then we challenge the New York high. Let's see what it does in the New York high. All right, breaks through the New York high, right? The prior New York high, and holds it. We're looking for, once it breaks a level, we'll look for a second confirm. Let's see if we get a second confirm. I'm looking for a green diamond. Actually, we get a red diamond, which gives us a short signal, 62 against 69, goes to 60. Now we get a second diamond that confirms kind of the New York high level, and that's worth a shot here. And I think that expands, right? 600 level, 67. Well, it extends a little bit, and then it just sort of, yeah, it still extends. You know, the prior New York high was around 64. So if you held it below that. So the other thing I was going to say is when you're trading session to session, this is really kind of important. When you're trading level session trades, right, which is you're taking your cues from the session levels, right? For example, here's Tokyo low, right? If you buy the Tokyo low bounce, you know where you should put your stop? Not right underneath Tokyo low, but actually you need to put the stop underneath the prior level. Unless this is the absolute lowest level on the chart, the next level down, because that's the only proper stop that lets you survive all of this backflow and all of the volatility to truly give you a reasonable trade. That's why you trade small and you trade for larger points on the position stops than you would on scalps. Scalps are kind of defined ATR risk trades, but session trades, to be really logical, need to be traded from session to session. Otherwise, you're going to get clipped out 2-3 times unnecessarily. The whole point of a stop is it needs to be done only when it's necessary. Otherwise, you're just letting the market take your money from you, right? So in order to do that, you have to, if I'm short over here at this level against, let's say, Tokyo high, or maybe, you know, let's say, in this case, let me just look at this. Let's say I'm short at Globex high. My stop would be above Tokyo high, the next level. That's what I want to challenge as far as levels on the move. It gets easier when we get to like London and you start to see more levels interspersed, but you really want to be trading level to level when you're trading these things. Otherwise, it's just not worth it. Otherwise, it's just going to get, you know, totally stopped out. Same thing with MNQ, by the way. Nothing on the trade here, guys. Let me get out of the replay mode. Everything's super quiet. We did all of our trades at the beginning of the hour, and then nothing more than that. Of course, those of you guys who are trading OLA, don't forget that it's super easy for you to get the OLA one-click trader, OLA Prime one-click trader, which is super useful in trading MT5. OLA just came with this 500 to 1 CFD product where you have 500 to 1 leverage. You can pass it in one day. Super popular on their website. Let me pull this up. This is the one that they're talking about. Limited time, 500 leverage, just one challenge, right? And you could use, oops. Oh, how do I go back? I want to go back. This one step boost, one target, no minimum days, no risk per trade. Let's see where the rules for that. One step boost, this one. So one step boost, 100,000 account, or oh, this is really good. These are really good odds. So you have a 6% loss limit against an 8% target. That is really good. And basically 50,000. What that means is Is that right? Wait, 6%, 5% of 50,000 is 2,500. So 3,000 down. What's 8% of 50,000? 4,000. It's 4,000 up against 3,000 down. Is that right? That's actually really, really good odds. Yeah. No, hold on. 8%. No. 50,000. 108. Yeah, it's 4,000. 4,000 target against 3,000 drawdown. That's really, really good odds on an account. That's really great. And obviously use our code EDGE to get the biggest discount. Really good product. One day to fund. And obviously this is the moment you get it, just simply go over here to proptraderedgetools.com. Let me put the link in here, and you can. Sorry, let me just put the link in here. You can get this totally for free. The one-click trader that's going to help you control the risk, put stops and targets on everything, hotkey entries to everything, and most importantly, partial exits. So you could set it to sell a quarter, sell a quarter, sell a quarter on this kind of a product. That's just perfect. So I can't stop humping this because I think it's really, really cool. It's a perfect complement to this product. Perfect complement to this product. I'm trading from New York, my friend. Where are you from? Yes, first time to our channel. We live trade 6 to 10 a.m. every single day in New York, and 7 to 8 Tuesdays, Wednesdays in New York. Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Legacy accounts are really yes, Monica. The answer is yes. Oh wow. Good luck with that, my friend. We were supposed to go this. We were invited this year, but just could not go to the trader show. Guys, shut up! Everybody came in to trade with me right now. Yeah, great place. Enjoy Dubai. So we got nothing going on here, guys. Super quiet day. I'm just twiddling my thumbs. No signals, no trades. That's the rule, right? NAS is super quiet. Gold is moving. Okay, gold finally giving us something. So gold hitting session lows, which we love because we either have trades through the session lows or trades off session lows. Happy to play on both sides. So if this bounces, the trade here is going to be buy the bounce with the stop below the prior day's trading highs. So let's see how it plays out. Gold really is like the only trade in Asia, man. I shouldn't even bother looking at NQ. Oh, getting a bounce off the Tokyo lows. We love this trade, the diamond green against diamond red. Nice reversal. So we're going to go to 60. 5 seconds left. I'm going to buy market. And I'm going to stay all the way underneath here. And we'll see if we can get a move here. It's kind of both a scalp and a position trade. So I'm just going to try and trade this on a positional basis. But we'll see if we can get a scalp out of it as well. Who else is new in the room here? Come say hi to me. We are scalping gold a little bit here, chilling for the Asia trade. This is a classic setup for us. We'll see if it holds. Might not in this particular case, but usually it's a really, really good setup for us. Where we get a red diamond down, green diamond up means volatility kind of reverses the flows. Today, gold being quiet, we may just drift lower here. But I'm still looking to see if I can get a bounce off Tokyo lows. And if we get a move through Tokyo lows confirmed, we'll just reverse ourselves and go the other way. But for now, we're going to hold behind the prior session low and see how the trade plays itself out. It's interesting that the market really got bought after the FOMC in gold. Got bought after the FOMC, even though FOMC was pretty hawkish. But I guess the market feels like there's no chance there's going to be any rate hikes. So that's bullish gold. Yeah. So Rico, yes, I'm putting the link in right now. If you want to subscribe to the indicators, they should be ready within a day. I already gave them the final version, so if you subscribe now, you'll be able to get the latest version. I just put the link in here. So yeah, you want to subscribe to this? Yes. No. We take both. We trade futures. We go both ways. It's just that right now we have more of a long setup than a short setup. Although I have a short scalp condition here in gold, which I'm going to take in the other account. Where am I? 61. So, all right, I'm short scalp on this one because I got two red triangles, high confidence trade to the short side against a much longer positional trade over here in this account. So we'll see how it goes. It has default settings, and the whole point is that the configuration settings are right here in the settings. You can just configure it any way you want. That's the whole point of making it user friendly for you guys. It will have those settings configured. All right, still pretty quiet. Gold is drifting, but not quite completing Tokyo lows. the short scalp worked. So that puts us 4 out of 5 scalps already for the day, which is good. We'll keep watching this. Let's see if MNQ has any price action. It's showing us short on MNQ. So let me see where it is. Yeah, worth a shot. Let's give it a shot. We'll take the sell on MNQ. I'm gonna trade this one with an 820 as we always do. And I'll see what gold is doing. Gold is quietly moving up. My other account here has the gold positional long trade here against the second level stop. That might take a while to work out, so we will see. And here's my came in 47 to 43. There's MNQ. Both assets very quiet right now. Not much going on here. Good morning, everybody, or good evening, everybody. Quiet Wednesday night, post FOMC minutes. We're just scalping around the edges here. 4 for 5 in gold. Just to take our first scalp in NAS right now. Nasdaq is really, really quiet. ATR is 6 points. So we're actually even outside of the ATR. We're looking for an 8-point scalp here. So it's above ATR. We'll see how it goes. You know what? I think for Nasdaq we gotta change the position here because we actually have a legit buy signal here. With a double diamond that holds above the VWAP, right? Where's the VWAP? Here's the VWAP. We recaptured VWAP. Now we got a double diamond. Now we're gonna hold that trade. Trade it on a stay behind the VWAP conditionally. Traded short target, long target. One short target, one long target here. And a lot of two-way price action, but looking mildly bullish here. So we got to trust the process. really, really tight range. So you can't really extract too much, um, too much insight from all of this. But it still looks pretty bullish. We're still trying to fire little diamond volatility bursts. So we're going to stay long on this one. Um, Gold also just kind of struggling with support here on Tokyo lows, but not really doing anything to penetrate them. And we're staying underneath the prior day low as our proper stop. We'll see if the bounce can hold here. Still pretty much holding Tokyo lows here on a bounce. Yeah, candle color scheme makes it very easy to see who is in control at any given time. Hopefully, it's pretty intuitive. I hope. The markets are quiet, man. Modest buy signal over here for the scalp. We're already long, and now it turns to sell signal. We know we're long on this positionally, so we're not going to do any more scalping against this. Let's see what we can do here. Gold showing like a small sign of life on a pop here, but very little. 470, the prior day trading high 469. See if it finds a little bit of support here against these levels. But it's just been a drift lower throughout most of Asia. Nasdaq is popping up. Let's see if this can resolve for us a little bit here. Um, I'll double check that, Rick. I'll double check on the triangle revert on the triangle alerts. Man, we are, trading 5 points for the last half hour. It's just really, really quiet. Nothing much going on here. Yes, we trade 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York session when it's really, really active. And actually, guys, I was meant to tell you next week when I come back, I'm gonna do special one and done sessions between 10 and 12, where we're gonna optimize for like one reversal trade that funds the account in one trade. We're gonna do a lot of those trades as well, which will be really a lot of fun. So I'm gonna probably do them Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't know if I can do them Tuesday. I'll see. I'll see if I can carve out time. But I definitely want to do them like. Oh, there we go. Can we finally find it? Oh, there we go. First target hit. First target hit. Trying to see if we can get the second target hit on this move. Took forever to move this stuff. There we go. There we go. There we go. I'm going to take this profit. So it took the profit on positional trade finally, as it climbed up, and that was just that was like a long trade, but that worked nicely. So that adds more to our positional trade. The only thing we have left working right now is that very long-term gold. But actually, on the gold side, if I flip over to the gold side, we may get a scalp to the upside. Actually, I have a scalp to the upside on this one. Let's try this. Let's see if I can buy it. Oh, I'm in the wrong account. Okay, let's try this one. Hang on a second. 60. Buy this one. Wait, where am I? Which account am I in? I'm in the 61. I'm in the 60. Okay, here we go. Wait, I'm in the 61. Oh, I'm in the 61 account here. Sorry. Oh, I took the wrong trade. I'm in the MNQ. Ugh, sorry. I want to be in the MGC. Sorry. I want to be in the 61 in the MGC. 61. Hold on. Exit. Okay, this is what I want. I want to be long this account. Let me just go buy this. MGC buy. Buy this. And boom. Let's see if we can get this done. Getting it done. All right. Trying to scalp this account, but actually we have a totally legit reversal, like a bounce trade off Tokyo lows. So I'm going to take this as a positional trade now in this account as well. Let's see if it's going to work. I'm going to take join bid on this one. See if I can get better blended. Okay, good. So now I'm going to stay over here. Target 1, target 2. Just like we did with NASDAQ. on a positional trade, and let's see if we can get some positional movement out of here. So they popped gold off the lows, and they brought it right back down, but couldn't break the Tokyo lows. So we're kind of trading on a support level here. I don't love the fact that they did a reversal on this thing, but if they can reverse the reversal, this is going to be very positive for us. They're going to take it right back up to the 75 level. So I am holding steady on this trade right now. The stops are in the logical place underneath the prior session high, against the prior level, and we'll see if they can push it higher a little bit here. Yeah, MNQ, we hit all those targets like a couple of minutes ago, Gloria. I don't love trading, two assets at the same time. It really kind of distracts me. Really should just be trading gold in Asia because that's really the primary trade. But it kind of slows down a little bit, gets all foggy, so it gets a little bit annoying. But we're starting to pop a little bit. Target one is 73.9. Let's see if we can move that up and take that out. Guys, be sure to join us 6 in the morning tomorrow. We're going to trade full 4 hours New York session. I'm really kind of excited to run through all the trades. We're going to trade NQ primarily, obviously, but for now, today we're trading Asia for our friends in Ola, which, as I showed you earlier today, got this amazing new account. Where's the Ola account? Here it is. They have this amazing new account, one step boost. It's massive leverage, 500 leverage. So the cool thing about it is it's 4,000 up, 3,000 down. It's a really, really good risk reward ratio. You need to make 4,000 against 3,000 down on a 50K account. One step, you get funded, and then after that, you get paid out. They pay out very, very quickly if you do well. But the cool thing is, if you get this product, you can get the one-click trader completely free. The one-click trader is the MT5 tool that helps you put stops, targets, risks, trailing stops, and most importantly, partial exits automatically. So you could literally buy and partially exit your trade at every dollar up. Like, for example, if I was in this trade in an MT5 condition, I would have been able to completely and totally trade myself out of it on a fully automated basis with this tool. This is a tool that I created just for you. It's totally free. It's got hotkeys as well. Sell buttons, buy buttons, reverse buttons, anything else you want. Just a single button execution. Totally free. All you need to do is just have the Ola Prime account and buy the Boost account. Obviously, it's the best one to use for it, and you should be in great shape, for it. All right, I got to run because I have something to do at 8 o'clock. So I'm going to leave you with this. We're going to see if this resolves. I'll update you guys at 6 o'clock. in the morning on this particular trade. We're still staying positioning against this. It's still holding the prior session lows, so no need to move from our end. But hopefully gold picks up a little bit. It does seem like it cleared that 450 barrier. So to me, that's kind of very, very bullish, which means that we might be on our way towards the 4.6, despite the fact that people, fear. I guess gold is really shrugging off the interest rate fears, and that seems to be pretty bullish. The price action in gold has been far more bullish than I anticipated over the last couple of days. So for now, the path of resistance is to the upside. So we'll see if the 4.6 is going to be in the stars today, later in the session. But in the meantime, we're just trading the bounce off the lows and see if it can just target ourselves into target 1, target 2. So have a great, great night. I see everybody tomorrow, 6 o'clock, bright and early. We're going to rock and roll with NQ. Everybody enjoy. I'll see you guys later. Take care.